Good morning everyone and привет, друзья. Today we are going to be going through a fantastic marketplace video on how you can sell products on marketplace that no one else has, as well as offer express delivery and then scale up to $1,000 a day profit. Let's get into it. Okay, now make sure you stick around and watch this entire video because I'm going to be showing you a method that no one else is teaching.
Wow.
Why? Because I'm the one who invented it. So when you look through the records, you can go search Facebook Marketplace. No one else is doing this. No one else is teaching this. Maybe a few of you are already doing this, but I highly doubt it. You know, I'm testing new methods each week. As I see results with them, I bring them straight here to YouTube for you so that you can find immediate success with them as well. So we're going to get straight into it. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video. I'm not only going to be showing you the method and a live example of how to do it, but I'm also going to be showing you how you can scale it because it's such a different and unique method. It's very hard to automate this, but if you're trying to make a lot of money very fast and you're willing to put in the time each day, because it does take a bit more time than the traditional methods, this method's for you, so stick around. Okay, now before I show you this new crazy method, I want you to check out the link in the description. There's a link to my secret Facebook group. It's absolutely free. Get in, there's a big community of other people who are absolutely crushing it. The reason you need to do it now is I'm dropping a course next month, August 30th. This is quick promo for you, but I'm sick and tired of these internet gurus, right? That sell people courses and then they say the reason you're not succeeding is because you need to test more, you need to do Facebook ads. They don't know what they're doing. I guarantee you 99% of these people don't know what they're doing, and you can tell their students have like a 1% track record for success. That's not something that I want to be involved in, and I want to change this industry completely. I'm going to be showing you marketplace, how to set up automations. These are things that I sell for 20K plus in the US. I'm going to show you how to do it in the USA as well as in Australia and other countries. I'm going to show you how to gain affiliates and grow an affiliate army to sell for you on marketplace. Entirely step by step. Just follow A, B, C, D, and you'll do hundreds of thousands a year. And this isn't like, oh, there's a chance you'll do hundreds of thousands. These are the exact marketing tactics that I use for every single one of the brands that I'm involved in at the moment. Every single brand, Enail, Couture, Ozlux, every single one, they all do hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with minimal costs in marketing. Minimal costs in marketing is what I was aiming to say. Now, check out the link in the description. Go in, join the group. It launches August 30th. As I said, it's capped to 1,000 people only, and there's a good reason. It's not a marketing gimmick. I aim to sell it for $1,000. I am going to sell it for $1,000. I'm going to only sell it to 1,000 of you, and then I'm out. I'm going to focus on my brands for a while. I'll still be dropping value here for you on YouTube, but I'm going to cash in on $1 million and I'm going to focus on my brands, build up, and then come back in the next year and show you how I scale those brands into the tens of millions of dollars. Okay, stick around. We're going to get straight into it now. Thanks for listening to the spiel. Hit the little link in the description. Okay, now the very first thing you want to do is set yourself up for long-term success to begin with, because I'm going to show you the way in which this method works and it makes cash for you very quick, very, very quick. But the issue or the trade-off with it is it requires a lot of time investment. You're basically employing yourself to sit there each day. This process cannot be automated, but if you set yourself up for the long-term success, it becomes very easy. So the way in which we do this is with Facebook groups, and I actually mentioned this in last week's video. So after this video, don't leave yet.
Okay.
After this video, go ahead and watch last week's video. I explain how to set up a Facebook group, link it to your page. You want to go ahead and do this because every sale that you make on Marketplace with this method, you want to feed your customers over into your group. Once a month, once a week, once a fortnight, you can send out a single notification. This will go to your entire group. And with this new method as well that I'm about to explain, it just catapults your sales. So you're just going to see an influx of sales. You can make thousands of dollars overnight, okay? I use this for everything. I'm using this right now to release my course. This is the power of Facebook groups. I use it for every single one of my brands. It's going to do millions of dollars for me, okay? Let's get it to make at least tens of thousands for you very quick. Let's get straight into the method. I'm going to jump over onto the Mac and I'm going to show you everything nicely turned off for me to remove the background screen. But we're going to jump onto the Mac. Also, just to let you know that I haven't got a lightning adapter. I didn't realize these new Macs, they don't come with the lightning adapter. So can't even use the Yeti. So if the audio quality is shit, let me know, because I'm heading out later today to get a little lightning adapter. We can plug it in. Then you can tell me in next week's video if you feel like there's a difference in audio quality. Apparently these new Macs are pretty good though. So let's jump on over and show you the method. Now, this is recording on the new iMac. So as I said, I apologize if the quality is shit, but I mean, look at the camera. That is insane. I haven't even set up the background. Like, if you don't know as well, I live a very minimalistic lifestyle. I am not the sort of person who goes out and feels the need to buy a heap of stuff to feel good. I'm very content with living a minimalistic lifestyle. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that. You know, I show off the flashy cars and all this stuff because it works for marketing gimmicks, but it's just not for me. You know, I enjoy experiences a lot more. But you're not here to hear about me, you're here to hear about Marketplace. But I just want to say, the camera quality, I'm very impressed with. This is a good upgrade. I mean, it looks better than real life. I'm looking around real life right now. The camera looks cleaner than real life, so yeah. Okay, so we're in Facebook Marketplace, and this is what it looks like from the Australian perspective. If you're from the US, you know, you're probably gonna have a few different settings in here. I obviously run accounts on all countries in different methods, so I know what it's gonna look like for you. You'll have a shipping option and different things, but it doesn't matter. We're going to jump over to a website like this, asos.com, okay? If you don't know what ASOS is, they're just a big fashion company, and you can do this with anything. You can go fishing websites, camping websites, you can jump on big fashion brands. I don't understand why people think you just have to use eBay and Walmart, okay? This method is untouched. And if you think like, oh God, he's just showing me to dropship from other websites, you're missing out. You need to stick around and hear what I'm gonna say, because it's very important. Now, this method's gonna be great, okay? But like I said, you're employing yourself day to day. You're employing yourself to work there day to day, because the method that we use, it has to change day to day. It can't grow long term. The only way to grow long term is with the Facebook group. Now, we just come to a random website, ASOS. If you don't know what it is, it's just a very big fashion company. And you can see like coats and jackets, baggy fits, everything. But what we want to come to each day on these sort of websites is sales. And we're just going to go best of sale. What do we have? We have actual legitimate brands, North Face, you know, Adidas or Adidas. We have Puma. These are Tommy Hilfiger. These are actual good brands. Good brands with good reputations, good quality. And we've just found them for a markdown price on sale for today. They're not going to be on sale forever, okay? Most likely 1 or 2 days, and they'll sell out very fast as well. So we can just scroll through. You know, I would actually buy these Tommy Hilfigers myself. They look clean, and for $40 for tracksuit pants, I mean, it's a no-brainer. I would buy something like that, okay? New here, get 20% off everything when you spend $40. So if this is your first purchase as well, and there are a few ways around this, you could just keep creating new emails. You can use this and get an extra 20% off, which doesn't sound like much, okay? But that's, you know, $8 off this price already. That covers your shipping costs. All you're gonna do is screenshot these products, okay? Post it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. No one else will be selling them. Not a single other person. You've killed off every single one of your competitors, okay? Now, if someone was to sell them at full price, $90, they're just competing with the standard price that people could buy them for anyway. So we want to mark it up and say, you know, sale down to $75. You're still going to make $35 profit. And with this code here, your shipping's covered. Without it, it would be $25 profit. The crazy thing is they're going to sell like wildfire. People are like, oh my God, you know, these Tommies are on sale. It's an actual brand. You know, the quality's good. You know, it's coming from a reputable website. So you're going to be able to give them fast tracking. It's going to arrive super quick, clean package. They're getting a discount on the original price, so they're already happy. And then long term, you can focus on the Facebook group. You've killed off every single one of your competitors, but you need to be there day to day to monitor these things. Now, I will say if you're selling fashion as well, make sure you check what sizes are available. We're lucky with this one has all the sizes. I'm actually going to go ahead and order a pair of these myself. And that's how you know this stuff works. I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, fuck, I'd buy them. I'd probably pay $70 for them. As I said, minimalistic, but you know, I need new tracksuit pants, so I'd look at buying something like that anyway. You just post them up for sale on Facebook Marketplace, you're gonna get bombarded with messages. Okay, now if you stuck around this long, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell as well. Don't forget, you can make so much money with this. A pair of trackies like that, you don't think so, but you post them up, brand name stuff like that can just go boom, 20, 30 pairs a day. That's $600 to $1,000 profit if you're selling it with a $35 markup, plus you've added 20 to 30 new group members. Now think, if you're converting 10% of them, which you should, with a group post, what's gonna happen each week when you post up? You've already got 3 buyers on a product straight away. That's from one day's work.
Oh my God!
You can build and build and build, okay? Hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and check out the group as well. As I said, the course is for 1,000 people and then I'm bouncing. If you message me and it's closed and you say, please, can I be one to sneak in? It's too late, it's gone. I'm out. The Mac Life's gonna be focusing on building something incredible. So thank you for watching. See you all next week.